guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of the Allure Beauty Box, and I had got the email that said what was in this box, which was going to be all masks of some sort. So I knew what was coming, but it didn't say like what brands or anything. So I've already taken the plastic off. So I knew we were getting masks, and I love masks. I know some people don't, but I do. So on the inside of the box says eyeliner, therefore I'm getting a little bit back into eyeliner, guys. I have it on today. If you want to know what I've got on my eyes, it is the Ace Beauty palette and the ColourPop Fluffy Super Shock. That's what's on my eyes. And guys, I love that look. Love it. Alright, so here's our pamphlet that we usually get. And it does tell us about all the masks. Okay. Let's get in here and see what we got. I'm just going to fold. There we go. This is not a mask. What is this? 3 hair rings. Okay. The little 3 hair bobbies. The little Invisibobby. Bobble. I say Bobby. And of course, this obviously isn't a mask, but it's easier to mask when you've got a good hair tie. Isn't that the truth? All right. That retails for $7.95. These 3 little hair ties retail for $7.95, guys. All right, so there is that. And let's start at the beginning and see if it kind of goes. No, it doesn't go in order. It's the first one I see, and this is so cute. The Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask. Look how cute. It's hard for a sheet mask to stand out. It seems like a new one launches every minute. It's impressive that Glow Recipes has a devoted following. It's easy to see why. It is transparent. Wear it on flight since it doesn't look too obvious. Soothing enough to calm red skin. Hydrates very well. Breaks up the flakiness on dry patches, etc., etc. Smells like Sour Patch Watermelon Gummies. And this retails for $8. There is a coupon code for glowrecipe.com. Use Allure15 for 15% off all products, except the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask and the Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. I wonder why. Okay, and it's good through November the 1st through January the 1st. So it starts November and ends January. All right. Next thing I see in here. Ooh, this is a little Glam Glow, guys. What is that? It's a little Glam Glow. I can't talk. I need some juice. Let's find Glam Glow. Okay, if you wear foundation every day, you're prone to breakouts, generally in the market for a good skin detox. This is charcoal and kaolin clay. It's like a vacuum cleaner for pores. As it dries, I can see all the little dots, especially on and around my nose where oil is being sucked. Super clean and fresh. A full size retails for $59. I know they're expensive. I've seen them out in the stores. So they also have a promo code. Go to glamglow.com, enter Allure18 to receive 20% off any purchase over $50 or more. And that is valid through November the 1st through December the 31st. So you've got all of November and all of December. All right, guys, next. I see this one, and this one feels super squishy. So what is it? Pearl Brightening. All right, this is a lap Cost Pearl Brightening Metallic Sheet Mask. Brightening gets thrown around a lot, but this sheet mask makes good on its promise. Okay. It is loaded with serum, but it never dripped. Oh, hey. The mask didn't slip or move. I took it off and rubbed in the excess serum. My skin was bouncy with moisture, and even my cheeks, which can get really dry, felt nice and soft. So there's always like a little quote for a testimonial. I'm going to have to go get a drink of water. Give me 1 second. Yes, I keep a teacup in my bathroom. I do. That's my bathroom cup, is a teacup. What can I say? Okay. My bronchitis has been kicking in the last week. And I've been doing my inhaler twice a day, but I just get coughing fits, and a sip of water always helps. So there we go. This retails for $14 for 5. And I'm assuming this is just one. So you'd break, however that breaks down. So we got that one. And you can buy it on Anthropologie.com. Enter Allure Beauty to receive $10 off your next full price beauty or wellness purchase of $50 or more. I'm going to have to keep this up here with me. So let me clean off a spot. My vanity has stuff everywhere because this is the 3rd video in a row I've done. Hence the same shirt and makeup. Okay. Alright, what is next, guys? What is next? Patchology Flash Patch Rejuvenating Eye Gels. Yes. Cough and cough and cough some more. May have to make me up some hot tea tonight. Where's this one? Here we go. It is, let's see what this one says. They're glittering under eye mask. They glitter. Okay. Within 5 minutes, my under eyes felt like super hydrated and looked brighter. All right. Let's see. Soft, comfy gels, tighten puffs, and with caffeine, like... Let's try that again. Take 2. These soft, comfy gels tighten puffs with caffeine and plump fine lines with moisture. Shannon can read, you know, every once in a while. There's normally retail $15 for 5 pairs. And you can get these through Anthropologie.com as well. Same code, Allure Beauty, to receive $10 off 50, and that is valid through November the 1st through December the 31st. So that is the little eye patches. There is another coupon in here. That's the same thing. The Anthropologie. Can you guys see that? Allure Beauty. Alright, is this the last one? No. This is the Rose mask with a set of lips. So it's a lip mask. Cocoa Star Rose Lip Mask. Lip masks are made for selfies. Just ask Emma Stone. Well, okay, it soothes, hydrates, plumps lips with rose water. It's free of parabens, phthalates, and stuff you probably don't want to swallow. It smells lovely like roses. Alright, this retails $38 for 20, so that's not that bad. You're getting 20 if you buy like the full size packets of these. So it's $38 for 20. Also on Anthropologie.com, so you can use the same coupon code. I think there's one more. And this is like my color right here, so what are you? Yeah, that's the last one. And this is huge. What is this? It's a foot mask. Star Skin Exfoliating Double Layer Foot Mask Socks. Guys, you know I'll be doing this. There is such a thing as a sheet mask for your feet. Go figure. And it's basically a pedicure in overdrive. Tear open this package. Inside you'll find a pair of plastic socks lined with a lactic acid peel that's designed to get rid of calluses. Slip them on and feel squishy. Get ready to watch TV so you're not sliding around your home. Rinse off your feet after an hour. You got to leave these on for an hour. Over the next week, calluses will peel off like a snake molting, which is as satisfying as it sounds. I don't think that sounds satisfying. Just don't use these if you've got cuts or blisters. $15, I assume, for one, because it just says $15. You can buy these at starskin.com, and you can use the code ALLURE20 to receive 20% off your purchase. Good from November the 1st through December the 31st. That was everything in the box. And guys, I actually like this box. I mean, I love masks. I have a box full of masks. These will be added to the box. I love that. That is so cute. So yeah, I'm happy with this. I mean, really, I'm super happy. I can't wait to use some of them. I might use one tonight. Who knows? All right, guys, that is it for this one. As always, thanks for watching. And I do have 2 giveaways going. One is the holiday giveaway. One was a pop-up giveaway. I will have everything linked down below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.